Dr. NUAMAH KWADASO member of parliament. My meaning couldn't come on. Now you need this clarification. Doctor, good morning.
Good morning, oh.
Nampum to say.
Bokonazo mtu kache.
Say ja doctor on hear me. Nso de nka mi nua na wo. Ya waso ayehia na no nkyere se ja unua ho.
Gawso de nka bi nua pa.
Yes, doctor na ededesi say obi the party no kokoto mo finga say nipa ne ya line to unity. Una achenechi.
Oh, ko famintia o. Amintia wotifo. Amintia KWADASO fo nyina. Asma busami na mo obidi asama court. Obidi asama court and everyone to be ase na be party no so no why is also avenues.
Okay.
I'm tia bibi any KWADASO amintia say.
Okay.
If you say ab masema ab media acclamation the two abano obi awe abom Kro. Personally busami I don't see any issue if we have to go by your constitution say my the to about 2018 no and one infant to about 2022 MP so me you be from 2018 no I've made this
okay
it's media mini issue.
Has there been any case any contention or more bomb here current than we Ukraine?
There is if we say yeah the years money we na a bedroom is soon as here the years man say album year 2018 the year you bring every year yeah no a bedroom is so no kofobi so the album for be so saba yam fan kotoba and yam pay foka but the facts are there ngaria ne kano edin sabia it means nyame aduma bibia be boko
it will be the kokota na
Matisa.
But you have no direct relation to that person.
Your friend is saying, in position
yeah.
KWADASO, we don't have an issue. Because at the end of the year, Jumano, will be any. Sa Mami can once say, yeah, the year, the 2018, no. Chairman of the constituency, assigned so. Chairman to me, assigned so. My chairman KWADASO was signing every single page of that album. And how can there be any dispute?
I see.
Any questions about it? Then so you see politics. Eduwa Okawa Krobeso Ifo Abati. Then so nyamiti ase. Ibi abeboko.
The last time minu din komo wa ha na akoye se epupu obo na suo ne ye you know e de ato asukachi. MP a wote so nenso ase things appears not to be going well with you. What me enya good terms with members, party ma and executives?
Oh, things are going well with me. On the contrary, things are going well Oba KWADASO Juma ye coffee. Branch and buy first 3 years. No my MP bien Oba KWADASO YB. Buy near party office. No your store be war. KWADASO Dambiso Abonsabi. Oba KWADASO party office say something we be no our party office nibi. And no woman going transfer meeting. E be anyebi. Oba KWADASO yeah, vocational school mabun mabawa ko free cosmetology bi ni ade pam free in obi antuawe e bi see that Oba KWADASO aye wo programmer man for taxis omri adwuma etika e bi see that we just to empower our people Oba KWADASO acquire from KWADASO IPT to Apatrapa KWADASO Kromwa ekodwina se tanaso nyanchene acquire ye no the time in quantity to myself.
I think I have to admit, sir, KWADASO quite dear Nyamianimni. It's been great. I mean, from Main Street, Nina, Patra Pane, Nyanchenia say area Hunina. I think thumbs up on that. But I quite my idea, and it's been very great, very, very great. I believe, sir, Mumbai Jumanso. But and that of the new school also. Eguswa koso kama right?
Egusupa training for free. See, that is how.
But I want to believe, sir, the issue has not been NUAMAH Ejuma or not. It's been the relationship with you and your executives. And not I'm a person meeting, not necessarily meaning so be a raise question about say NUAMAH Ejuma or not. No, minyanti be da KWADASO. But there's been about relationship. How far has been your relationship our executives our constituency?
Kofi, I do have interest.
Okay.
Now sometimes no interest in it may override the party's interest and not the general interest. And you can't force to be as own interest. Own interest be a obey now, so no obey nanka nipa bi na ye nanka nyawo. Obey money now, obey bohumodi be do bit my bia. Nanso benya nanka ne baby nanka ye. And obi ofini fie bi and obi ojibi se ready obey me pa na ye. And the Wagwin. Nanso no, a say override the general interest. And now bones one the Quensiana and Kuyi according Okawine, Kanwakawi, and as my catch away fire bombing. Aboma, a constituency chairman, a sign, a national chairman, a sign, a regional chairman, a sign. We shouldn't have an issue. Yeah, chairman, a sign every single page of the album. We should have an issue. What I say, but still, I know. And I can't say be the cocotti. Why should be the case? Meaning I am for interest. But meaning say Painful won't allow amount for interest to derail the general interest of the party. Because Kofi, the whole Ghana, meaning so anymore, only the quarters net also Canada. The whole Ghana, I've been see that there's no constituency MPP didn't kunimua, yet 90% ama president. Yet to our last one no. Who for the presidency 9.01, May MP 90.03. A being sida. You say, be a near 31st, be a increased numbers. No, baby, you need first. I shan't tell you, I'm quite rabbit here. Next last elections, no. The demand in THB Pija KWADASO from us here, the whole Ghana number one. And he said, it's my Admasia. Party in face will be interesting to know. I'm a party winning and free. And Timothy or party said, Bibia Boko, and idea didn't cry. Nimono, Ubia with interest. Sometimes it's difficult. But when a man is a kind of corner, you didn't cry. Bibia actually say, no, say, no, and say it drones were a base of paper.
Okay. Nhyira, I wish you all the best. I think the Canada until you are just telling us another person won't party beyond court and
I can never do that.
Okay. But I see. Maybe I'm a Santon Sadia from. Wish you all the best. For 9 minutes to hit